Hey, so finally my gaming office chair has arrived. I'm trying to unbox it and install that by myself. I'm not quite sure if I can do it because it's almost half of my body height and it's 20 kilograms. How sweet! It has labeled everything, so it's so much more easier when you need to refer to your assemble menu. So just put them in together and then so for the seat cushion, we need to find A and F. But I found out I should use E, so E will be better to screw in. Work on the back cushion. Make sure your hand is holding the longer side so you can leverage it. I really like this. This is really supportive, but with the back cushion, I wish it could be a bit bigger. And it has a massage function, but I feel like the massage function is kind of useless because I prefer that massage can really massage the pressure point. This thing doesn't really, it's just like a vibration pillow, so it doesn't really massage the pressure point. It still supports my back. So Amazon actually sells this chair with a bigger cushion, so that's considerable. If you care about the budget, I feel like even with the smaller cushion, it's okay. Before I got this chair, I thought this scatter cushion is useless, but it's actually not because when I put it out, I can lift up my leg and still do my work like this. I really love this golden color. So generally speaking, I really love this chair. It's really supporting my back, supporting my legs, and this is flexible, so I can just put it back and yeah, easy. The height is adjustable and the angle of the back cushion is adjustable as well. You can adjust it and then lock it up from this manual button. Perfect.